Hi guys, so today I am looking to get any of the hummingbirds. I don't have the Pets Plus pass, but I have completed my pet journal. But obviously now I'm missing the hummingbirds and the new space fish. So as you can see, I don't obviously have all of these pets in my inventory now because I've had to trade. Singularity Pisces I'm missing. And all three, I haven't got the hummingbirds. Yeah, that's one. That's the normal. So today I'm looking to trade my Singularity Beetle. It's neon. I've already got it in my journal, so I don't need it, and I don't particularly like the pet, so I'm not collecting it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the square, and I'm going to see if anybody has a hummingbird for my neon Singularity Beetle. Right, so I'm just going to say, trade me if you have any humming birds. Copy that. And the whole thing. Copy. I'll pick that up. Maybe it'll be better. Just going to have a look, see if anybody's got any. I can't see any out. Trade me. No. May have to switch server if nobody has it in here. Trade. Why she's out on the floor? Oh. Right, I'm just going to do the pet needs anyway, because I still need to do tasks for the Galactic Pass. Hummingbird, anybody? No, okay, I don't think anybody in this server has any, so just bear with me. Oh, hang on, wait. Oh, please have a hummingbird. Hi. Do you have any hummingbirds? Hummingbirds. Oh. No, okay. Frost isn't for trade, sorry. Okay, right, bear with me, I'm going to leave this server and find a fresh one. Okay, so I've joined a new server, so I'm just going to say the same message. Just see if anybody here has one. I don't see any out. No. Okay, maybe I might need to join a rich server, but let's just... Oh, it's trading me. Okay, let's see. No, sorry. I'll say my message again in case somebody didn't see it. Trade me if you have any hummingbirds. No. And what about Santa being moody? What is that all about? Is that true? I can't believe it. If it is, I'm in shock. Sound like two completely different people. Oh, come on. Hummingbird, anybody? How do you even get these hummingbirds? Oh. How do I get a hummingbird? It's in the new Pets Plus pack. I think it's a pack. I think in shop. No, it doesn't look like anybody has any in here, but I do see... Oh, I thought I saw a caterpillar over here. No. Oh. Right, okay. Hold on. I'm going to try a new server. No luck here. Okay, so I'm in my third server now. I'm going to try this one and just see if anybody has any of the hummingbirds. I've not even seen any in any servers yet. Well, this looks a bit busier, a bit richer. Let's have a look. Right, I'm going to put my message. Ooh. I'm just going to put that in, I don't know. Ooh. Flex. I don't collect petware. I have had all of these, but... What is this? What did they want? I'll just put accept, don't I? For Frost, get away. Right, I want a hummingbird. I'm going to have to take this Frost out my... my profile because everyone can, and it's not for trade. You... What? Hummingbird. There's a Frost there. Maybe if I sit on my Frost work, give me more attention. Hello. Right, okay, right. This is not for trade. Frosty peanut pickle. Right, I should say not trading. Not trading Frost. Oh, copy. Go. Trade me if you have any hummingbirds not trading Frost. Somebody must have one. I can't even see anybody with any equipped. Right, let's just try again. I don't want to have to buy the Pets Plus because literally I only want hummingbirds just to complete my journal again. Well, I'll keep looking out for them. If I get a successful trade, I will post it on here. Yeah, there's just none equipped or anything. Okay, well, thank you for taking your time to watch, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.